Hi, everyone.
Hello.
Jar, where are we?
We're in Joshua Tree.
We're in Joshua Tree. This isn't booze related, but occasionally I post the fitness related content on the YouTube channel. This is the first time Jerry and I have climbed outside. So I figured, why not make a little video about it for anyone else who's curious about climbing in Joshua Tree as a beginner.
Yeah.
So, where are we?
Joshua Tree.
No!
We're at the Mel's Diner.
Mel's Diner. That's what this set of boulders is called right behind us.
And it's very beginner friendly.
Yes. Yeah, we were worried because we're maybe like V3s in the gym, in the climbing gym. And yeah, we hear that outdoor bouldering is a lot harder, even the easy ones, even the V0s. But these are rated V0, V easy, I guess, things like that. I don't know if we've done any of the routes that are kind of routed. They're named after diner foods, which is fun. So the theme goes towards diner foods for Mel's Diner. But we've just been playing around and it's been fun. Some of them have been challenging and a little bit scary. Again, this is our first time climbing outdoors.
But we rented a crash pad.
We did. That was very important to both of us, was renting a crash pad, although we haven't really used it.
Thankfully.
Yeah. Do you remember where we rented the crash pads from?
It was across the street from the saloon in a parking lot.
A vending machine.
And it's a vending machine.
Very convenient. And this was not easy for you to find out. You had to call one of the outdoor adventure.
And they told me about it.
Yeah. So maybe we'll post a little link to the address in the description below. So if you're looking to rent crash pads, you can. They have smalls and larges. We went with the large because, again, we wanted a crash pad. And it's $25 for 24 hours. Yeah, very convenient. So how did we get here, Jer? Where did we park?
Oh, I don't remember.
Is it called Lost Horse or something?
Sure.
We parked in a parking lot with bathrooms, and I will also put a link to the address of the parking lot that we parked in, and then it was a quick stroll to get to Mel's Diner. Yeah.
And you can download the Mountain Project. And you can download some of the routes and maps offline, so you can access it in the park. And they have thousands of routes here.
Cool. Anything else we need to tell those beginners out there before we show some videos of us climbing?
I don't think so.
All right. Great. So if this video was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments, and subscribe if you're interested in more fitness and climbing videos. Yeah, let me know.